Yo, what's up, guys? I'm gonna try and speed run this market update. Get it quick, concise, short, and sweet for you guys. Alright, so Monday, no news. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, shit's packed. Alright, so we like to see that. It means a lot of volatility is coming into the market. So, was wrong about this weekly sweep of the lows. Guess we ended up actually coming after this weekly fair value gap after all, right? And I missed the initial long using my typical strategy that I teach to my students, um, which you would have been long from here. The strategy that I teach, you could have put your stop below here, and then minimum target is here. So I ended up missing that trade. So how can I get in? All right. Well, let's keep in mind, right? We just did a weekly turtle soup. We swept all of these lows up into this weekly fair value gap, right? And on the 4 hour, we're now disrespecting bearish FEGs, right? So I'm looking at this 4 hour inversion that took place not too long ago, and I like it for buying. So I am building a long position in here. Let me go ahead and give you guys the price coordinates on here, just so you can annotate on your own charts, because that's ultimately what's going to help you the most in being able to navigate price from watching my videos, is that if you can follow along with the levels. Um, and we also have a daily fair value gap right here. Daily inversion fair value gap, sorry. So we got a couple levels we're working off with in here. So daily inversion fair value gap, right? And then we have the daily actual fair value gap. It's created with the displacement. So a lot of confluence in this area, right? Come back down to the 4 hour. And right now, my chart's looking, or my long position is going to be looking something like this. I want to get in on that daily fair value gap. I think this looks good as a bottoming structure. This whole thing is a range. Low swept. It makes sense at least 50% of the range. 50% from here to here. Let's measure that out real quick. Okay, it's these highs right here, which I can kind of already talked about before, but I mean, yeah, you should probably take first profits around here, but personally, it's this original consolidation that really has my eye. So that's what I'm aiming for, and ultimately expecting that we take out the highs in the range. So that's what I'm looking at overall. So we'll leave this high annotated, that this is our overarching target, right? So we're doing a swing trade right here. We're swinging these longs. Okay, got these lows swept up, right? Okay. So yeah, I'm pretty bullish on Bitcoin right now. I think that we're probably gonna put in new all-time highs soon. Yeah, I mean it just looks really good, to be honest with you. So yeah, I am buying, and I think ETH is looking particularly weaker, right? I mean we came all the way down to this third for value gap, 1, 2, 3 is even a fourth one too. Um, and the reaction has not been as good either. You can see that we already inverted this on Bitcoin. See, so right now Bitcoin's stronger for me. So if I was gonna take a long on ETH, it would probably be here. But I'm just way more interested in Bitcoin. And I think when Bitcoin comes back down here, that's the time that we get the pullbacks with alts. So right now for FTM, I'm really looking for this low to get swept. I don't know if we get it, but a sweep of those lows and I'm in. I'll be buying. I mean, it looks pretty good right now. I'm not gonna cap. I think I might long it if we get a 15-minute inversion for a value gap. I can't explain the strategy that I'm using for this one right now, but I mean, just simply speaking, just look at this, right? Back to these highs. So FTM I like. That's the only alt I'm really gonna mention right now. But this weekly fair value gap did get hit. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this. It's just a quick market update. I'm bullish, guys. I think you should be looking for longs, not shorts, until proven otherwise. Where would I be wrong? If we have a daily close under this daily inversion for a value gap, I'm gonna be very surprised to say the least. And I'm gonna be really pissed because I feel like we got this right. So yeah, just looking for longs. Ultimate target up here. How we get there, um, it could be a little bit rocky, but I think ultimately we do put that in. Minimum target here. What is this? This is gonna be the pretty much 67k. I'll be looking to size off on my position. Maybe even this imbalance in here. We'll probably take some off here too. So that's 65. Pull some off at 65 and 67. Let the rest run. My opinion. But yeah, that's gonna be it from you guys. Cheers.